as you improve one process, as I mentioned, it immediately highlights another. So what we see is customers that become, almost like it's contagious. Once they've automated a successful process, they want to look at what's next, what's upstream, what's downstream, how can we improve our process even more.
Interesting. So you're saying that automation is the gateway drug to automation?
That is a fact, correct. Automation is incredibly consistent and reliable, and of course highly functional when it's provided the same environment over and over again. That's what it's really designed best to do. Of course, over time it's become more flexible as technology's increased, but in the end of the day, it's more or less designed to do the same job over and over again. And through that, customers learn more about every aspect of their process, not just what that automation's looking to do.
When you guys go in and you hear that they tried it or they did something, you're trying to tell them, look again.
Correct. Absolutely. I highly encourage, whether it's the beginning of your journey or you consider yourself advanced on the automation journey, the pace of technology has only increased over the last decade or two. So I would challenge everyone to look again, challenge those areas that you thought were unautomatable or even where you had failed automation in the past. Again, through advanced technology, even the fun buzzwords like AI, it's amazing what we can do today. I like to think of it from the evolution of analog gauges and push buttons to digital everything, advanced HMI screens, all the way up to like a digital twin where you can essentially see your automated process before you even actually build the automation. So over time, of course, technology has advanced in the eyes of the robot, the hands of the robot, as you guys know well, and as those areas have improved, then naturally automation and its capabilities just continues to exponentially improve. And quite frequently, even it's a process, let's say, adjacent to something that they've already automated, or it's a SKU count that previously, or SKU type that they previously couldn't automate. I think one simple example would be like structured palletizing versus unstructured or mixed case palletizing. Okay. In the past, before 3D technology, before advanced gripping technology, as long as the pattern was the same and the suction cup could pick it, you were in great shape. Now, it could be completely random. You could have to use advanced end-of-arm tooling that adjusts based on the SKU type, and of course 3D vision to help you see and pick from the right places to begin with.